continuing in our science class. We are continuing rocks and minerals, and you know there are especially three kinds of rocks we have categorized, and we should know what are the origin of these type of rocks. So we came to know about the igneous rock, how the igneous rocks formed. I have told you, I have explained you, they are forming due to the volcanic eruptions. Whatever the magma comes out, they cool down quickly, and after solidifying of these type of magma, which changes into the lava, they forms different type of igneous rock, isn't it? So we came to know how many types of igneous rock, and I have explained you already. Today I will take the second type of the rock, and the second category of the rock, that is sedimentary rock. Okay. So what is sedimentary? Sedimentation means something which is being cementing or which is being layering up. Okay. So we have done one experiment in our previous class. We have kept one bucket full of muddy water, and after some time you could see that the water is being clearing up in the upper side, and whatever the mud, whatever the heavier portion of that water, that become settled down on the bottom of that bucket. So this same thing happens in the sedimentary rocks. So sedimentation means forming the layers, or they are being settling down on the bottom or on the surface of the earth. So they form the sedimentary rocks. So here it is given, sedimentary rocks are formed from pebbles, sand, mud or clay that get deposited in sea and oceans. So how the sedimentary rocks, what are the constituents of the sedimentary rocks? All the heavier things like pebbles, sand, mud or clay, they are being deposited, or they makes the layer on the surface of the sea, ocean, or sometimes just where the rivers are being joining to the sea or the ocean. In that places, this kind of mud, this type of pebbles, they are being collected and they form a strong layer or the solid layer of this rock. Okay. Now, repeated heating and cooling of the mountains by rain, wind and sunlight break the rocks. These small pieces of rocks are carried down by the flow of the river, and these small pieces of rocks are carried down by rivers and strong winds into lakes and seas. They sink to the bottom and settle down to form layers called sediments. As time passes, more sediments build up and they press down the lower layers. This continuous pressure upon the previous layer, and the lower layers are being pressed and they are become solidified into the layers of the rock. So these type of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. The major portion of the earth's surface is covered by this type of rock. So you understand what is a sedimentary rock? Sedimentation means something is being collected, or something is being layered up, or they changes into they shape into the hard rocks. So how this type of rocks are being forming? As we know, due to the pressure of due to the heat of the sun, due to the rain, these kinds of rocks are continuously, they are expanding and then contracting. Once due to the heat they are expanding, and then again when the rains come, it becomes cool down, and in the night they becomes cool down and they started to contract. Not too much, but little bit their expansion and contraction happens each and every day. So due to this pressure, these rocks are being broken down, and they broke into the smaller pieces, and these are carried, these type of pebbles, the small pieces of the rocks, the mud, whatever is collected on the mountains, what are the part of the mountains, these are being carried with the flow of the water which are coming from the mountain to the downside, or you can say to the plain. So when they are coming down, they just carry these type of things along with their flow of the water. And when this flow are being just the speed is being decreases when it comes on the plain, the speed of the river or the flow of the river is being decreases, and this speed is being due to the just lowering down of this speed, these kind of things cannot flow with the flow of the water. So these things, pebbles, mud, the pieces of the rock, they are being collected in different places, or they are being deposited in different places. So when one layer is formed, they are just deposited and they are being forming a layer of the pebble, mud, rocks, different type of minerals, metals, whatever the constituents part of the rocks, they are being carried by the water from the mountains. So they are being forming one layer, and when another layer is forming on the upper side of this layer, so they are pressing the first layer, or the layer which is below this layer, they are being pressed. Due to this pressing, they are changes into the solid state, or as they are in semi-liquid state, they are being changes into the solid state, and they solidify to form the different type of rocks. It makes this type of rocks takes thousands of years to make the 1 kilometer, or you can say in a thick state it takes lots of time, lots of year it takes to make, but just 1 millimeter of layer makes within 1 year. Okay, so it is too much time it takes to form, but on the earth's surface, whatever the crust portion we are seeing, they all are actually sedimentary rocks. And what about the igneous rocks? They are temporarily being formed, and they also changes into different types of rock. Okay, but sedimentary rocks, when we talk about the sedimentary rocks, the major portion of the earth is being made up of, or surface is covered by this type of sedimentary rocks. They are layering up, they are pressing the lower layer, and they are being solidified to form the rocks. Okay, so due to the deposition, due to the collection of this pebble, soil, and all type of materials, rocks, metals, minerals, they are being layering up to form the sedimentary rocks. Now, if we categorize how many types of sedimentary rocks are there, mainly there are 5 types of sedimentary rocks. So we can categorize them. First one is the sandstone, second is the conglomerate, third one is the shale, then limestone, and the last one is the gypsum. So there are so many categories of these sedimentary rocks that we will discuss in our next video. Okay, so that's all for the day. Have a nice day.